softly in slow motion, but I think the time is near. But I think the time is near to wait in the water if we fade.
Hi everybody, we thought we'd better give you a quick update on what's been happening since our last video. It's been full on since I got back from my trip from China. So while I was in China, John got a letter of offer for a package to retire, and while I was away he decided to take it, and when I got back we only had a month to pack everything up,
sell the unit,
get everything ready for the unit to sell it, and find a place up here. We moved to Morton Bay area in Queensland. I had to find a place to live, I had to find another job.
just a little bit of a rush.
Yeah, so
the package originally offered, I had an option for dates. Unfortunately they didn't accept the dates I put. They gave me around 6 to 7 weeks after the package was accepted, and unfortunately it meant that, as Kim just said, we had to rush around and try and get our unit finished to put on the market. Rent a place up here sight unseen.
organised the
Removals.
Huey to be transported up here.
Yep.
And why did we decide to take it by road instead of sailing
Well,
up?
the main reason I decided to put the yacht on the truck, don't get me wrong, I had a lot of offers, genuine offers from people from the club at Belmont and other
People
various
from Instagram
that offered to drop everything and come for a between a 3 to 7 day sail to bring the boat to Brisbane from Lake Macquarie in New South Wales. The decision to put it on a truck was in the end for safety for anybody involved. Our deck tread was nearly non-existent, it had worn down over the years.
And as you know, we couldn't get the main sail up.
We couldn't get the main working, it was being persistently a problem. We had other problems with wiring and radios in the mast, and so the decision was if we dropped the mast to road freight the boat up here, it would give us an opportunity to replace all that, which is what I ended up doing.
So so we've done all that. So after we've finally settled down and moved in here, I moved up here about 2 months before John actually got up here. And now I think we're going to be back on track with putting our weekly videos out. So now we're going to show you a quick snippet of what's to come in our next videos. And yeah, that includes my trip to China and everything like that. So I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Just a quick catch up for Kim and I and Huey to bring everybody up to speed as to where we are.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Catch you
you.
later. Bye.
Bye.